AI tools have become an asset, and I've got a present for you. Just check out the channel Tech for You. There you'll have quick, easy tutorials on the best free AI tools, which will change the way you work and live. See you there. Like and subscribe, please.
Wow, this is one of those moments with AI where you have an agent that will work for you. Can you believe it? Wow, again. Stay with me because it will be worthwhile, guaranteed. This agent will create presentations, videos with lip sync narrators, anything you need. I asked for a baby podcaster. How amazing was this? So sign up to Lovart. You have certain credits, not everything is free. Credits are daily. Link will be in description as always, never worry. So let's start our tutorial. This is the simple interface. Now you have to ask whatever you want. So let's start by creating a presentation. This agent will combine everything and do it for you. You heard that right. In a matter of seconds or less than a minute, it's done. Let's check out the results. These are images, not PDF. Hey, and you can still edit them. So if you click here, you'll be able to change a few things. Just check it out and you'll be amazed. On the top menu, you also have other options. Let's check them out. So you can upscale a photo, for example. You can outpaint, meaning if you want the image to be larger and you need the setting to be bigger, it will do it for you. It also removes the background. Or imagine you want to remove an item or a person. You can also do the opposite in Paint. Insert an item or change something. Sometimes you like a smudged photo on the background. Here it is. And you can also select objects. My advice, try everything because you'll have fun in the meantime. On the left menu, you also have other options. Check them out. You can choose a model, for example, like ChatGPT, or a style. So what did I ask next? And you have to be very criterious because you have a few credits every day. Let's create a baby podcaster. Write the prompt as complete as you can and then what you think. It gives you the steps and then it's going to create everything. So it gives you 4 images and you need to choose the one you want the podcaster to be. And so you make the choice and it goes on, the agent goes on doing everything for you. So it animates. I provided what the baby was supposed to say and it rendered perfectly. But I wasn't able to do this the first time. So I created my project and I had to end it the next day because I didn't have enough credits. So what it did was create the image, and after the image, it creates the speech, it creates lip syncing and your video. How wonderful is this? I don't know. This is absolutely brilliant. So this idea of having the best, most complete agent for your creations is mind-blowing.
Well, I'm here to tell you that your life and work are about to change. Yes, you heard that right. Just check out the tutorials on free AI tools on Tech for You. You'll save so much time, it's incredible. AI will work for you literally, and you'll love it. Our tutorials are quick and easy. Hey, do like and subscribe. Thank you.
Again, if you liked the video, don't forget to check out my playlist. I have so many amazing AI tools for you that are free. Don't tell anyone. Thank you so much for being here on my journey with me. Do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much. Bye-bye for now.